I'm basically from India. To do my post-graduation, I'm pursuing MSc Masters in Science and Management and Innovation.
MSc Law and Finance, and it's a very good combination of law modules and economics and finance modules, and that's the only reason I chose this university and this course.
My name is Srivarsha Srijit. I'm from Kerala, India. I'm in astrophysics from Queen Mary, University of London.
The course I was looking for in Queen Mary has all the right modules. Prestigious university with one of the highest rankings in the RAE research, which just conducted recently.
I'm Niranjan. I'm from Aurangabad. I'm a MSc in Dental Public Health.
Dipti Suryavanshi, Human Resource Management and Comparative Relationships. It's a master's course for 1 year and it's been interesting.
My name is Nevin and I'm studying here for management in IP.
It's among the top 10 universities, extensive campuses, and very well known for its admin support and the kind of teaching which goes on in the college.
One of the reasons that I joined here in Queen Mary was Mary is basically specialized in, I would say, one of the main university in London who is specializing in IP and has a collaboration with Chartered Institute of Patent Attorneys. The response that I got from Queen Mary and the kind of collaborations that they do with other institutes attracted me to eventually join Queen Mary, because if you be in a different country and you want to join a university, you always look at the positive feedback that you can get from a university and the vibrant that you get from the university. And out of the 3 universities that I eventually shorted out, I found Queen Mary is one of the best in London in terms of coursework as well as in terms of academic and extracurricular activities.
The style of teaching and the style of education over here was quite different. That's back to my home in India. It was more organized and it was more administrative. Administration was quite good over here.
I was a bit worried about adjusting to the student crowd in a different country, the whole new study atmosphere and all that. But I did not really find that a big problem here. Of course, it was slightly difficult, trying to understand the different way it is taught in a different country and all that. But altogether, it has been a fine experience.
Well, in terms of coursework, I was definitely impressed by the curriculum.
Quite qualified. They helped us in all the course during all the course, and they taught us about the various practical things. They helped us during assignments and our dissertation and all stuff. So it was very good being with our Queen Mary.
They don't quite spoon feed us so much here. I mean, most of the time we are expected to find them.
And the B term, we were given course materials, and the library is amazing. It's amazing. The e-library, the actual library, it's amazing. You can get everything. Whatever I wanted, I got it.
Many cafes over here that, like, we have Costa Cafe, Barmaid and all that provides coffees and every snacks, and also that's helpful. Like, we don't have to go out of the campus to eat and to drink over here.
Support from the admin as far as dissertation goes, module goes. Even the change of class timings was informed quite beforehand, so there was no problems as far as the support from the staff goes. It was excellent.
So overall, it's like all the facilities in one package. Accommodation was quite good. I got all the facilities. It was good not to clean the room and all that stuff, because I was basically able to focus on my studies and have fun around, not exactly focusing on my households.
I live at Stocks Court. That is slightly behind the Stepney Green Tube Station. It's a university halls of residence. Really nice. Basically, most of us were Indians when we came here, so that was good, right? I mean,
I find Indian food in London. Chinese flatmates, one Irani and one Nigerian, and we had so many common parties. We welcomed the new roommates. There's one girl who left the accommodation. We gave her a send-off party. We celebrated one of my flatmates' birthday. So we have a lot of get-togethers. Each one of us cooked something of their respective countries, and then it's good to know about different cultures. And it was really bliss. It was wonderful.
The accommodation-wise, in terms of the residential accommodation that the Queen Mary offered, was excellent. I mean, I always liked the fact that cleaners used to come and clean the kitchen and the rooms. I mean, though I am a tidy student myself, but you can't basically do the entire stuff, the coursework, the job, cleaning around the stuff. And daily cleaning the kitchen and once a week cleaning a room was a facility that I didn't expect myself to be involved with. So those are the kind of minute details that Queen Mary is catering for the students that I was really impressed.
In the university campus, which is based at Whitechapel, and it is called as Floyer House. 2 minutes walk from my institute of dentistry. We have a huge common room, and we have table tennis. We have pool table.
Here security is quite good, and they don't entertain any kind of noise over here. So it's quite appreciable. Like I don't get disturbed by any noise during my studies and during my exams. Like I went to many parties over here arranged by the Queen Mary as well, and many societies, communities parties arranged by the Queen Mary. So it was good to have fun all around.
I was never disappointed. You always have this feeling coming back from an international background, whether you will be catered of all the needs and the necessities of daily life, as in right from transportation. I basically knew nothing about London except from Googling and other knowledge. But coming here, I was not once disappointed of the structure the university had, the courseworks they had.
Transport links are very good. There are buses running 24/7. The tubes network is really good. So it's more Asian dominated kind of area of the city. So it felt friendly, and because Mile End is one of the high streets, the shops were easily open for like almost midnight, and there were eating joints which were open.
It's Diwali season, so we went to, there's a Swaminarayan temple in Neasden. So all of us, all Indian friends of mine from the halls of residences and all that, we all went to the temple. It was Holi. It was awesome. We played it in our halls of residences.
Yes, I did attend Christmas, and gifts and surprises for the students. We were given movie tickets, and we had a buffet from the college sponsored it, and it was great fun. All of us were together, and it didn't feel out of place. So I had fun. It was.
I saw the beautiful fireworks at London Eye during the 31st December, the New Year's fireworks. Yeah, so it was good.
There were many trips like Amsterdam and Brooks, and it was very good because even 2-day trip and 1-day trips over here. We went to Wales, we went to castles, we are going to Alton Towers.
So the career advice and the service, where I was given some techniques how to improve your CV. In our department, the School of Engineering and Material Science, we recently had about 50 companies coming down here to showcase what they have, what they can provide for the students who finish the studies.
For Queen Mary Career Service, 100%, because I got my 3 part-time jobs from Queen Mary Career Service. Ambience of Queen Mary is really great. It's more like a home away from home.
I would suggest students, if they want really international exposure, then London in UK is quite good, and they should come around in Queen Mary to have exposure about the international world.